name is Ashley Hay. I'm a mixed media artist and I'm going to talk to you today about one of my go-to products from Powertex Art Supplies that I absolutely love. It is the Bister patina colours. The Bister colours are absolutely gorgeous. There are a few things that you need to know about them, however. So first of all, they come as a pigment or as a pre-mixed liquid. So they're available in both ways. Obviously, your pre-mixed liquid is instant and you can just get a spray bottle and pop your liquid in. It's all beautifully refined and it's really lovely to use. So very, very convenient. So if you like convenience, the liquid Bister is definitely the way to go. I do also love the powdered Bister. So I like it because I can use it in different ways. So to mix your powdered Bister into a liquid form, it is quite simple. You want a teaspoon of the Bister powders to around about 100 ml of distilled water. To mix your Bister powder, you want to get your teaspoon of Bister, place it in a little bit of warm water and just mix it into a bit of a paste. Then put the rest of the water into the mix and mix it through. That will avoid any granulation in the mix and you'll get a much nicer liquid colour. So I actually like to make around about 250 ml at a time because yes, I am a bit heavy-handed and I do love it, so I like to mix up enough. What do you then use the Bister for? The Bister will create incredible crackled effects when you use it on top of the light coloured Powertex. So for example, if you spray the Bister colours onto ivory Powertex, you will get the most beautiful ivory crackle coming through the Bister patina sprayed colours. So depending on the colour you use, there is yellow, red, black, green, blue, natural brown and mahogany. So in terms of the colour that you're creating, a few things about it. The Bisters are not UV stabilised, so this is really important for you to know. So the colour will fade a little over time. So it's better if you've used Bisters to actually keep your artwork inside out of the sun in the same way as you would look after a resined artwork. And on that note, I do love to seal my Bisters because with the Bisters, although they adhere into the wet Powertex and it fixes them a bit, they can still shift if you get water on them and it can ruin your artwork. So I highly recommend after 2 or 3 weeks that you fix the Bisters. So you can use an art spray varnish or you could actually use resin. And I do love using resin on my Bister. The colours and the textures just absolutely pop and it looks amazing. So if you like the sound of this and you want to learn more about how to play with it, I've got an online workshop called Mixed Media Triptych, where I show you how to create incredible layers using easy 3D flex, Bister and ivory Powertex, as well as much, much more. So you might want to check that out on Ashley Hay Art Academy. To get your Bister patina colours, you can go online to Powertex Australia or another supplier near you. Have fun creating your artworks with these awesome colours and experiment to your heart's content. Enjoy creating. Bye.